I was always very self-conscious about my smile. And when Dr. Nick told me that he could fix what my problem was, I was kind of reluctant, almost scared. And he did it. He made a smile for me that I don't have to worry about anymore. Dr. Nick helped me to feel better about my smile. I came in, I had fallen in 3rd grade and broke a front tooth, and for years I was self-conscious about my smile. And he told me he could fix it. He said not only would he fix the crown on my front tooth, but it would help if I would put veneers around it. And I was very reluctant. But when I saw the final work, it just kind of changed the way I feel when I smile. They've made me feel good about smiling for the first time since 3rd grade. When you come in here, from the time you meet the employees at the front desk, you just feel like it's a great place to be. Nick makes you feel comfortable. If you have issues that maybe other people wouldn't see, but you feel them when you smile, he'll work with you on those. The hygienists are awesome. Lots of focus on family. They care about my family, and they have told me enough about theirs over time that I care about their families as well. They're good at what they do, and I always walk away with my teeth feeling better than when I came in, that's for sure.